Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 10 immune-boosting foods you need to add to your diet in 2024. Remember, a strong immune system is your best defense against illness, and a balanced diet packed with these nutritional powerhouses can make a world of difference. Let's get started. First up, we've got a classic for a reason: citrus fruits. Think oranges, grapefruits, lemons, limes. These guys are bursting with vitamin C. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant, meaning it helps protect your cells from damage caused by those troublemaking free radicals. It also gives your white blood cells a serious boost, making them more effective at fighting off infections. So next time you're feeling a little run down, reach for a juicy orange or whip up a refreshing lemon water. Next on our list, we're bringing the heat with red bell peppers. These vibrant veggies pack a whopping punch of vitamin C, twice the amount found in citrus fruits. Red bell peppers are also an excellent source of beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, crucial for maintaining healthy mucous membranes. Let's be honest, broccoli sometimes gets a bad rap, but trust me on this one. This cruciferous crusader deserves a standing ovation for its immune-boosting powers, packed with vitamins A, C, and E, plus fiber and a whole army of antioxidants. Fiber promotes a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which plays a significant role in supporting a strong immune system. Chapter 4. Garlic, the tiny bulb with mighty defenses. Garlic, the aromatic hero of countless dishes, is more than just a flavor enhancer. This pungent bulb has been recognized for its medicinal properties for centuries, thanks to allicin, a powerful compound with antimicrobial and antiviral properties. Studies have shown that regular garlic consumption can reduce the severity and duration of the common cold. So, whether you prefer it roasted, sautéed, or added raw to your dishes, don't be shy with the garlic. Chapter 5. Ginger, soothing inflammation and fighting infections. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory, helping to calm down those pesky inflammatory responses that can make you feel awful when you're under the weather. It also boasts impressive antimicrobial properties, helping to combat those pesky germs directly. So brew yourself a cup of ginger tea, add some fresh ginger to your stir-fries, or enjoy some ginger chews. Ginger steps in to soothe symptoms, making you feel more comfortable while your body fights off the infection. Chapter 6. Spinach, the leafy green powerhouse. This leafy green is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your immune system will absolutely love. Spinach brings a good amount of vitamin C and beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A in the body, supporting crucial mucous membranes. Add a handful of spinach to your smoothies, salads, or even your pasta sauces for a delicious and nutritious immune boost. Chapter 7. Yogurt, the gut-boosting, immune-supporting superfood. Look for yogurts that specifically state live and active cultures on the label. These live and active cultures are beneficial bacteria known as probiotics that work wonders for your gut health. A healthy gut is directly linked to a strong immune system. Probiotics in yogurt help to maintain a healthy balance of bacteria in your gut, supporting your immune system's ability to function optimally. Chapter 8. Almonds, tiny nuts with a big immune punch. Almonds are packed with vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that plays a crucial role in immune function. Vitamin E neutralizes free radicals, keeping your cells healthy and your immune system strong. They're also a good source of healthy fats, fiber, and protein, all of which contribute to overall health and well-being. So grab a handful of almonds for a nutritious snack. Chapter 9. Turmeric, the golden spice with ancient healing power. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful compound with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin helps to combat inflammation, keeping your immune system functioning optimally. Add a dash of turmeric to your next curry, smoothie, or even your morning latte for a delicious and immune-boosting treat. Chapter 10. Green tea. Sip your way to a stronger immune system. Green tea stands out as a true immune-boosting superstar, packed with flavonoids and high levels of EGCG, a potent antioxidant. EGCG boosts the activity of immune cells, making them more effective at fighting off infections. Swap out your sugary drinks for a soothing cup of green tea. There you have it, folks. Incorporate these foods into your diet to help keep your immune system strong and healthy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and updates. Stay healthy.